Creating a custom dashboard in TeamGate CRM is a game changer for managing your sales data and team performance. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a personalized dashboard so you can track the metrics that matter most to you. You're going to want to stick around till the end because we're also going to talk about some alternative solutions that might serve your needs even better. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your TeamGate CRM account. Once you're in, go to the dashboard section. You'll notice that by default, TeamGate provides a basic dashboard with some essential metrics like deals in progress and team performance. But to create a custom dashboard, you'll need to start by clicking on Create New Dashboard or simply selecting the plus button in the dashboard area. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Next thing, you'll want to decide what type of data you need to track. TeamGate allows you to choose from a variety of widgets, including charts, tables, and graphs. You can pull data on sales activities, performance metrics, lead conversion rates, and more. Select what fits your needs. For example, if you're tracking sales performance, you could add a sales pipeline widget to keep an eye on deal stages. If you want to monitor team productivity, you can add a team performance widget that shows how many tasks each member has completed. The third thing to remember is that you can customize the layout. TeamGate lets you drag and drop the widgets around the screen to create a layout that works for you. Whether you want a quick overview or a deep dive into individual metrics, you can organize your dashboard to highlight the most important information at a glance. Next thing, customization doesn't stop with layout. You can also adjust the timeframes of the data you're viewing. So if you need to see stats from this week, this month, or even a custom date range, you can adjust the settings on each widget. This is useful because sometimes you need more granular data to analyze trends over time. Now, the fourth thing, sharing your custom dashboard. Once you've got everything set up how you like, TeamGate gives you the option to share your dashboard with your team or keep it private. If you're managing a team, you can easily grant access to the dashboard for anyone who needs to stay updated on the performance metrics you've customized. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, TeamGate CRM does a lot right, but it's not perfect. The customization process is fairly intuitive, but it can get a little limited in terms of advanced data manipulation. The widgets are helpful, but they don't always offer as much flexibility as some other CRMs when it comes to visualizing complex data or creating reports. Plus, TeamGate's overall reporting capabilities could be more robust. If you're looking for something with a little more depth and versatility, you may want to consider some alternatives. Which leads me to the last thing I want to share with you. After creating your custom dashboard, I want you to know that we've got an exclusive offer for you. We're giving our viewers an extended free trial to TeamGate CRM, so you can test it out for yourself. But I also want to mention that while TeamGate is a solid option, there are other CRM tools out there that might offer more powerful customization and data analysis features, tools like HubSpot or Zoho CRM. Both of these platforms also offer free trials, and they might suit your business goals a bit better, especially if you need more advanced reporting features. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial for TeamGate CRM with exclusive benefits for our viewers, but you'll also gain access to these powerful alternatives to help you make an informed decision. So, before you sign up, make sure to check out the link in the description for the full details on these options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your TeamGate CRM or whichever tool you decide to go with.